Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Apple ID in System Settings so iCloud can manage files. Once signed in, turn on iCloud Drive and enable Desktop and Documents if you want automatic syncing. Make sure your Mac is updated and connected to Wi-Fi. If storage is low, upgrade your plan now so sync won't stop. This initial setup lets the system index files for syncing. You're now ready to prepare which folders and app data to keep in iCloud. Once iCloud Drive is active, open the iCloud options to pick which apps and data sync. You should decide whether Desktop and Documents move into iCloud Drive. If they do, Finder will show an iCloud Drive folder with your items. Enable Optimize Mac Storage to save local space. This keeps small, recent files locally and stores older items in the cloud. Make sure photos, notes, and mail settings match your preferences so nothing important. To finish, organize files into folders or tags inside iCloud Drive. Dragging files into the iCloud Drive folder uploads them and keeps versions. Once done, verify backups and test on an iPhone or iPad to confirm sync. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign out of your Apple ID on the Mac, restart, and sign back in. That often forces a resync. Also check system status and Wi-Fi if issues persist. Restore files from recently deleted on iCloud.com.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.